Firstly, I wanted to talk about the site features which are related with my project. Easy to the access. Due to the central location of the Izmir, there are many public transportation vehicles like tramway, ferry, bus, subway, railways close to the land. For this, you can come to the land from almost anywhere in Izmir. There are a lot of educational buildings that surround the site. Konak is naturally very crowded after the population increase compared to 1988. Therefore, settlements have also started to multiply vertically. If it continues to be added on it, it will be much more irregular and distorted. Unfortunately, today's planning is poor and distorted thanks to authorities have not been able to successfully control the population growth of the Konak. This is the density analysis. Total population is 344,000 person. As you see in the graphics, middle age ratio and young ratio in the majority. Female and male ratio is almost equal. At the education grade, mostly consists of the who are completed their education before going to the university. This is the solid weight analysis, which is related with the density analysis. And these are the green area and educational buildings analysis. As you see, there are a lot of educational buildings surround the site. In this slide, I want to show relationship of the intervention area with the site. As you see at my site section, site is very close to the sea and surrounded by the high-rising buildings. In this slide, I wanted to explain my theater proposal and its system. I wanted to explain rectangular seating system. Enclosed or storage position takes a small usable space. Optimum visibility from any position is guaranteed. Blocking the system included for maximum safety. Different figure seats can be installed on the system. Reaction to fire. This product complies with international standards. Incorporated other activities to adapt with the theater, dance performance, or any type of activity that can be developed. In these videos and text are explained how the mechanical system of the rectangular seating system works. Structure under the structure built is using highest quality materials with the components in connected to create both strong structure and flexible mechanism. As a modular design, each module has a maximum length of 6 meters. This modular design determines the quantity of motors and the length of the platforms. The deck material is the 18 mm to the 22 mm thick VPP plywood. Each deck is secured to the deck supports and framed, finishing the phenolic paste plywood, carpet, vinyl, non-slippery, safety phenolic. Different options have been consulted. Promenade Theatre, site-specific work of theatre created by the British Theatre Company. Presentational form is considered promenade theatre, in which audience walks at their own place through the variety of theatrically designed rooms, as well as environmental theatre, in which the physical location, rather than being traditional playhouse, is an imitation of the actual setting. It's also best described as the immersive theatre rather than the interactive theater, because of although the audience may move through the settings, interact with the props, or observe the actors at their own place, their interference has no bearing on the story or the performance except in the ray intentions. This is the program proposal with my mass diagram. This is the I talked about before, promenade theater parts. This is the promenade theater units. These are the vertical cores, but this is for staff. This is for guests. This is the cafeteria. This is the waiting area and lounge. Then go to the first floor. This is the theater complex. Near the theater complex consists of the foyer and exhibition. At this part of the building, there is a painting workshop, and next to the is stall, which is selling the painting workshop products. This is my material diagram. Firstly, I want to say I used the theater structure steel truss system. For cladding, I used the wire mesh facade and wood panel to soundproofing, and there are columns and curtain wall. This is the bubble diagram, side section. This is the side plan. This ground floor plan and promenade theater parts, as you see, promenade theater parts of the plan are for the panoramic showcase view. And because of I don't want to interrupt the green pedestrian axe here, I want to create green axe here. This is the first floor plan. As you see, this is my theater complex, foyer, exhibition, workshop, and stall. This is the Goethe Institute, and Goethe Institute interacts with the, my project. This is the terrace between them. These are my sections. This is the facade section type of thing. You see, I use the steel truss system and acoustic panel system in here too. My material boards is there, wood wall cladding and steel truss, mesh wall cladding, acoustic panel. These are my renders. These are my interior renders. These are my nighttime renders. As you see, there is my panoramic promenade theater is showing some theater show there, and same as this. Each panel has a different story. As you see, there's a mesh and wood cladding here. You can see the terrace going from the Goethe to my building. This is my green axe to not interrupt the pedestrian walking, and I wanted to slab over with openings to get sunlight. And this, as you see, there's a promenade theater. Each one has a different stories. That's all.